Fit Fam, welcome back to Tips from Stella Fitness and day 23 of our Fit Body Challenge. As usual, just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I'm very happy to be having you. Today we are going to do exercises that help to shape your waist or give you a tinier waist or sculpting your waist. I have had 3 kids in a period of 5 years, and I trust these exercises in helping maintaining your waistline. You know, giving birth sometimes can cost you your waistline, but these exercises are truly helpful and I do trust them. So just make sure that you are hydrated, you are energized for this workout, and be sure to take a protein within 1 hour after doing this workout. And we are going to be beginning with the first exercise. What you want to do is to get into position, pull those abs towards the spine, and we are going to be doing 30 seconds per side. You want to begin by bringing your leg up and reaching out your hand back, twisting and back, feeling those obliques working. You are giving me 30 seconds of this per side, so just keep going, pulling in those abs, making sure that they are tightened inwards, feeling your abdominal muscles working as you bring your leg up and down. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you are going to give me the other leg. Just get into position and we shall begin straight away. Pull it up and back, bring it up and down, feeling that stretch in your abs as well when you reach out your hand, up and down. Keep going, keep breathing, don't tie your breath, but keep squeezing those abs towards the spine. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, just 1 more. Well done. Next, moving into the next exercise, we are going to do standing side bend. If you want, you can hold a dumbbell in the other hand that goes down, or squeeze your fist very strongly. What you want to do is to begin right away. You want to begin bending to the side and back, bending to as low as you can get. Bend and back, bending as if trying to reach your foot and back. Keep breathing, keep squeezing your abs towards the spine and focusing on those abdominal muscles as you go down and back, making sure that you do not hurt yourself. Only go to as low as you can. Go down and back. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And get back up. And the other side, pull those abs in, and you want to begin to go down and back. Go down and back. Quality over quantity, making sure that you're focusing on moving those abs down and up and squeezing them in, feeling them working. This move is very good for working on those side abdominal muscles or the obliques. And keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, you're going to give me jump twists, pulling in those abs towards the spine, twisting from left to right, and you're giving me 30 seconds of these, guys. And we are going to be repeating this set just 1 more time before we go down onto the mat. This is also very good cardio. Cardio plus strength is equals to those strong abs. And you'll give me just 1 more and get down, relax it out, beginning again with the standing oblique twist. So you want to get into position and you want to begin twisting it up and down, 30 seconds per side, up and down, feeling those muscles working and focusing on your abs, up, down, bringing your leg up and squeezing, feeling the work over there, I am sweating already as well. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the other leg. You want to get into position and you want to begin. Keep going. We are doing great so far. Twist and stretch. Twist and stretch. Keep going. You're doing great for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just give me one more. Well done, guys. Next, you want to get into that side bend, pulling in those abs towards the spine, and you want to begin by going the other side down and up. 30 seconds per side. Go down and up. Go down and up. Like I told you, you can add some weights in this other hand, holding a dumbbell or even squeezing onto your fist, but just try to go down, reaching for your foot and back. Keep going, keep breathing, and up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and more, and the other side. Get into position as usual. Begin straight away and back, and down and back. This side bend is actually so good in maintaining and shaping your waist, giving you that very nice waistline. Go down and back up. We are going to be moving into the jump twist and back. Go up and back. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, just one more, and 1. Well done. Getting into that jump twist. 20 seconds, guys. Sorry, actually 30 seconds. Keep going, but you can go only as much as you can. If 30 seconds especially is too much, just keep going. We are doing great, guys. Keep breathing. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, well done, guys. Just give me some stretching and prepare to get down on the mat. Feel free to grab some water or some celery juice or even a protein drink and grab your mat. We are going to meet down on the mat to get this business done. So buddies, our first exercise down on the mat is going to begin on our backs. So you want to get down onto our backs safely. What you want to do next is to pull in your abs towards the spine. It is very important. And then raise your head off the ground, making sure that your abs are pulling inwards and not bulging outwards. If they're bulging outwards, just go back down again. Pull your abs inwards and then you want to come down. Next, you want to begin reaching for your toes, twisting from one side to the other. And you are giving me 30 seconds of this. Keep breathing. Those abs towards the spine. Remember, they are not bulging outwards. Reaching from one heel to the other. Just keep going. We are doing great. Don't give up. Don't give in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. And next, you want to get up safely and get into that side plank position. Still working on those side muscles. You want to get up and we are going to add on a leg twist on this. So you want to reach out your hand and begin bringing your leg forward and back, feeling that twist in your muscles, forward and back. Giving me 20 seconds of this. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Feeling those abdominal muscles working, tightening up. Keep going. Keep breathing. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And go down slowly. Stretch out that side and give me the other side. Get into position. Reach out your leg and you will begin with 1. 30 seconds of this, guys. Keep going. Keep breathing. Don't tie your breath. Well done. Get down and stretch it out. Next, we want to get into that plank position. You want to still pull your abs towards the spine. So what we want to do is to begin moving from plank to downwards facing dog, and you're going to begin moving, then pull your abs towards the spine and walk back. Go back, pull your abs in and come back down. We are doing 30 seconds of this. Walk back, pull in those abs and get back down. Keep going, pull in and come down, get down, go back, pull in and go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you want to get down slowly, and we are going to repeat these just one more time, beginning back at your back where we started from, pulling in those abs towards the spine, giving me that pelvic tilt, having a flat back on the mat. And you want to get up from the mat. You want to begin reaching out for your heels, pulling in those abs towards the spine, feeling your abs working, making sure that they are not bulging outwards but inwards towards your spine. Keep going. It's burning. It's not easy, guys, but we can do it. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it better. Keep going. Keep moving. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, guys. Get onto your side, into that side plank. Get into position straight away, and we shall begin for 30 seconds per side. Make sure you are stable. Make sure you are breathing in and breathing out. Keep going. We are doing great, guys. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And get down. Stretch out that side and switch to the other side. Just quick. Get into that position, and we shall begin straight away, guys. Breathing in and out while tying and squeezing those abdominal muscles. In and out. And out. Keep going. We are doing great. Keep going. Keep breathing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just give me one more. If you are in for it, get back up and stretch it out, guys. And we are going to get back into that plank to downwards facing dog. Get into that plank position. Pull your abs towards the spine, and we are going to begin walking into that downwards facing dog and walking back to the plank. Keep breathing and to the plank. Squeezing your abs as you get into the downwards facing dog and squeeze. Keep going, guys. I feel the burn. Just give me 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Get back up. I mean, down, guys. And reach down to your mat, guys. We have come to the end of this exercise. But what would a tiny waist routine be without vacuums? If you've not seen my video about vacuums, guys, please check it out up in the video cards. So we are going to be concluding with vacuums, and we are going to be holding the vacuum for 30 seconds. What you want to do with the vacuum is that you breathe in, and then when you're breathing out, squeeze your abdominal muscles inwards and pull them inwards to create a sort of vacuum in your abdominal area. And then we are going to hold it right there while breathing for 30 seconds. You know, you will see that space, you know, it's like your diaphragm is going upwards, and just continue holding this while you are breathing as well. You can't see it because my camera cannot show very well from above, but I guess you get what I mean. Just continue pulling in those abs and then keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to release it, guys. Next, you want to sit up And we want to stretch out the sides, beginning with the right side. So you want to bring your hand to the other side, and we are going to be holding this for 30 seconds per side, feeling that stretch in your abdominal muscles, in your torso. You've done an amazing job, guys. And just keep holding this right there. Keep breathing in and out, breathing in and out. You can do with some wrist rotations as well, while at it keep going for longer, guys. Just for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get down and the other side, feeling that stretch. You know, we all love this part at the end of a strenuous exercise, don't we? Yeah, so just continue holding this right there, feeling good about yourself, and continue going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back up. You want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our waist shaping routine. Thank you very much for joining me, and a high five if you've made it this far. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family on social media. Invite them to come over and join us in our Fit Body Challenge. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.